Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. So friends, today in this video I am going to share with you the information about the Lokayukta in the state of UP. So while the idea of establishing the functions of a Lokpal at the center has proved abortive, a number of states have adopted the ombudsman system by enacting Lokayukta laws. So how it is constituted in various states, but in UP, I will consider and provide information about you that in UP, the UP Lokayukta and UP Lokayukta Act of 1975 was passed. And according to this act, the Lokayukta shall be appointed by the governor with the consultation of the Chief Justices of the High Court and the leader of the opposition in the Legislative Assembly. The UP Lokayukta is subject to the administrative control of Lokayukta. What are its qualifications? The Lokayukta shall be a person who is or has been a judge of the Supreme Court or a High Court. The Lokayukta or Lokayukta should not be a member of any legislature and also should have no connection with any political party. He shall not hold any office of profit, nor should he carry any business or any profession. Now, what is the term of office of Lokayukta? He shall hold the office for 5 years unless he resigns earlier or is removed from the office by the governor on the ground of misconduct or incapacity. It should be noted that the Lokayukta shall be removed from his office subject to the provisions or Article 311. He shall be removed from his office subject to the provision of Article 311 of the Constitution, and an inquiry is to be conducted by a judge who is or has been a judge of the Supreme Court or Chief Justice of a High Court, and in case of up Lokayukta by a person who is or has been a judge of the Supreme Court or the High Court. The inquiry report must be approved by at least 2/3 majority of each house of the state legislature. Now we see about the appointment of Lokayukta. The Lokayukta is appointed by the governor after consultation with the leader of the opposition, while the Up-Lokayukta shall be appointed in consultation with the Lokayukta. The Up-Lokayukta can inquire into complaints against officers other than the ministers. Now, what is the jurisdiction of Lokayukta in UP? On a complaint received involving a grievance or an allegation being made in that behalf, the Lokayukta may investigate any action which is taken by or with the general or specific approval of a minister or secretary and any public servant, including public servant notified for this purpose by the state government. Whereas on a complaint received involving a grievance or an allegation being made in that behalf, the Up-Lokayukta may investigate any action which is taken or with the approval general of specific any public servant, not being a minister or secretary. Now, what is the procedure to be followed by the UP Lokayukta? The Lokayukta or Up-Lokayukta shall conduct investigation only on a complaint made by the aggrieved person. Where the Lokayukta or Up-Lokayukta proposes to conduct any investigation, he shall forward a copy of the complaint to the public servant concerned and the competent authority concerned, and he shall afford to the public servant an opportunity to given his comments on such complaints and may make such orders as to the safe custody of the documents relating to the investigation as he deems fit. Every such investigation shall be conducted in a very private, and in particular the identity of the complainant and of the public servant affected by the investigation shall not be disclosed to the public or the press whether before or during or after the investigation by the Lokayukta. The Lokayukta shall present annually a consolidated report on the performance of their functions to the governor, and the governor shall cause a copy thereof together with an explanation memorandum to be laid before each house of the state legislature. So this is the functions and procedure of the Lokayukta in the state of UP, and this is generally varied from state to state about the function, but this is general principles of Lokayukta in the state of UP, its functions, its constitutions, its qualifications, its terms of office, and the other requirements which is necessary for it. So friends, I hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and like the videos. Thanks for watching this topic.